These are some of my Montessori inspired farm activities for toddlers 2 to 5 years old. This first activity is a logic and matching activity. We're going to be using the On the Farm. These are 2-piece matching puzzles. This comes with 15 little puzzles and each one has 2 pieces. Working with puzzles is a great activity for hands-on learning, problem solving, hand-eye coordination, and concentration. But as the child starts to work with a puzzle, they may want to work with it up here. It's okay to guide them and to show them. Put it on the table, this goes on top, and then you press down. Depending on the age of your child, you decide how many of these you want to use for the activity. For a 2-year-old, I'm going to go ahead and use 5 of the puzzles today. Can you find the other part of the farmer? Yes. You put it together. Can you put it on the table? Can you put it right there? Put it on top. There you go. Right there. Put it on top. There you go. Good job.
Okay, cow.
What, you want to do the cow? Put it on top. Good job. What about the tractor? Can you find the other part of the tractor?
There.
Yay! Can you put it together?
Huh?
Yes, put it together. Put it on top. Right there. Good job. All right, let's do one more. Can you find the other part of the horsey?
There.
Right there. Yeah. Can you put it together? All right. Good job, Joshua Diego. Can you press it? Good job. What about the piggy? Can you find the other part of the piggy?
There.
Right there? Good job. Can you put it together? Right there. Put it on top. Good job. What about the barn?
There.
Right there. You put it together. Right there. Good job. Look at all the ones that you have. All right. Another thing that you can do if you have little plastic animals or little wooden puzzle pieces, farm animals, you can match them to these. You can have your toddler match the cow, the horse, the sheep. Okay, Joshua Diego, can you find the pig? Good job, pig. Yes, you can run it. There you go. What about the tractor? Can you find oink, the pig? Or the tractor? Good job. Can you find the farmer? There it is. Look at the farmer. Can you match it? Good job. Yes, look. Can you find the horsey? Good job. What about the cow? What does the cow say? Moo. Good job. For this next activity, this is a fine motor skills activity. We're going to be using an egg carton. I went ahead and punched some holes. I made these little carrots. These is pipe cleaner and then some yarn. So what our toddler is going to do, he's going to pick carrots. They're using their pincer grasp as they grab the carrot and put it in a container. Joshua Diego, can you get some carrots and put them in here? Good job. Can you get another one? Good job. One more. Good job, Joshua Diego. You are doing a great job picking the carrots. Good job.
Like that bunny tire.
Carrots, yes. Look, more carrots. Great job, Diego. Good job. One more. Yay, good job. This next activity, I'm calling it a curly pigtails color matching activity. I have a picture. This is the back of a pig. I printed this off the internet on an index card. I have a tray from Dollar Tree. I cut some construction paper, different colors here. And then I made some little tails, pigtails out of pipe cleaner. And all I did was cut a piece. I went ahead and wrapped it around a pencil and made the little pigtails. So what we're going to do is going to have our toddler pick one of the little tails, or you can do it for him. Put the tail and then ask your toddler, what color is it? Pink. Can you match it over here? So they put it where it belongs. Purple. Can you put it with the purple? And so on. Purple. Oh yeah, that's his head. Where do you want to put it over here? Purple. Can you find purple? You put it inside right there. All right, let's do this one. What color is that one?
I got pink.
Pink. Put in the pink.
I got pink.
Oh, that's red. We're going to put it in here. All right, what color is this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Where does it go?
Not there.
Okay, put it with a yellow. Okay.
I forgot.
Oh, it's okay. What color is that?
Red.
It's red. Good job. What color is that one?
I got pink.
It is. Where does it go? Good job. Where does this one go?
No, there. Night.
Yeah. Can you put it where it belongs? What color is it?
Purple.
Purple.
Purple. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right there. All right. This next activity is a tracing activity. I'm going to use these two handouts that I created and a dry erase marker. Tracing is a pre-writing activity. Pre-writing activities help our children learn the proper way to hold a pencil or a crayon. It also helps with the development of eye-hand coordination, concentration, and fine motor skills. Hi, can you draw the line? Good job. All right, what about the chicken? Can you make the chicken come to the barn? Go ahead. Good job. Ow, go to the barn. Good job. What about the horsey? Good job, Jada. For this next activity, I made a little sensory bin using, this is the bottom of a box. I just put some construction paper around it. I'm going to be using corn for popping. This is from Dollar Tree and I got 2 bags of it. I also made this little silo. This was an oatmeal container. And then some little barns. These were made with little milk containers. and this smaller one was a goldfish container. You're also going to need some little farm animals and then something to scoop up the corn with. Sensory bins are great for kids. Children love to play pour from one container to the next. They love to put things in and out. This is a great way for children to learn and have fun.
There's two.
Let me get the other one.
Cow.
Another cow.
More cow.
Another cow.
Oh, that cow.
Yeah. At least I know next time around. There you go. One more cow. Good job.
Okay, in here. Oh, it's down in here. It's down in here. It's down in here too. Here too. We did it!
These are some of my Montessori inspired farm activities for toddlers 2 to 5 years old.